In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team project in Basecamp. We'll use the most common approach, so by the end you'll know exactly how to go from logging in to having a fully set up space for your team to collaborate. First, log into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage, where you can see your existing projects and teams. Look for the New button, often shown as a plus sign. Click that to start a new project. Depending on your version, it may say New Project or something similar. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different, the process is the same. Next, give your project a clear descriptive name. Think along the lines of sales team or product development, something that instantly tells people what this space is for. In the description box, add a short overview of the goals, what kind of work belongs here, and any expectations around timelines or communication. A good description saves you time later by answering common questions and helping new members get oriented faster. Keep it concise but informative. Now it's time to customize the tools your team will use. Basecamp lets you choose exactly what appears inside the project. The message board is great for announcements and decisions you want visible and easy to find. To-do lists help you assign tasks, set due dates, and track progress. The schedule keeps important dates in one place and makes planning clear. Chat offers quick, real-time conversations for quick questions and updates. Docs and files is where you store and organize documents, assets, and reference materials. Turn on the tools your team actually needs and leave the rest off to reduce noise. You can always adjust these later as your project evolves. Finally, add people to the project. Click Invite some people or add people, then search for existing users or send invitations to new teammates. Think about who truly needs access to keep the project focused and relevant. When sending invites, it helps to let people know why they're being added and what you expect them to do first, which you've already outlined in the project description. That small bit of context makes onboarding smoother and gets everyone contributing faster. That's it, you've created a team project in Basecamp. You logged in, started a new project, named and described it clearly, enabled the right tools, and invited the right people. Save your changes, and you're ready to collaborate with your team in one organized place.